Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to discuss how to add widgets on your Mac. Let's start the video. First, go on your notification center. Here you can see edit widgets option. Click on edit widgets. Here you can see the list of widgets here. If you want to add any widgets, what you have to do? Let's suppose I want to add this list widget. Just click on add. Now you can see the widget is added. Now click on done. Now the widget is added on my Mac. And if you want to remove the widget, click on edit widgets. Now you can see here minus icon. Just click on minus icon. Now click on done. This is the way to add widgets and remove. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.